Have you ever heard of a mammal that looks like a pine cone, eats ants with a sticky tongue, and rolls into a ball when threatened? If not, let me introduce you to the pangolin, one of the most fascinating and endangered animals in the world. Imagine a creature resembling an ancient dragon, its body cloaked in a coat of impenetrable scales, each one glistening like a fragment of stardust. They have hard scales made of keratin, the same material as your fingernails and hair, that cover their entire body except for their belly and face. These scales protect them from predators like lions, tigers, and hyenas, who have a hard time biting through their armor. Pangolins have no teeth, but they have long snouts and even longer tongues, which can be up to 40 centimeters long. They use their powerful claws to dig up ant and termite nests and then lick up the insects with their sticky tongues. They can eat up to 20,000 ants in a day. Pangolins are represented by 8 distinct species, each with its unique characteristics and habitats. In Asia, there are 4 species: the Indian pangolin, or Manis crassicaudata, the Philippine pangolin, or Manis culionensis, the Sunda pangolin, or Manis javanica, and the Chinese pangolin, or Manis pentadactyla. In Africa, there are 4 pangolin species as well: the tree pangolin, or Phataginus tricuspis, the giant ground pangolin, or Smutsia gigantea, the Cape pangolin, or Smutsia teminki, and the white-bellied pangolin, or known as Phataginus tricuspis. African pangolins are found in a variety of habitats, ranging from savannas and forests to grasslands, adapting to diverse environments across the continent. Saving pangolins means saving a vital piece of our Earth's complex puzzle. Think of them as guardians of balance in nature, quietly ensuring harmony in our ecosystem. Luckily, there are countless heroes in this conservation story. Passionate individuals and dedicated organizations venture tirelessly into the heart of danger, saving pangolins from the clutches of poachers seeking to exploit them for profit. These brave souls give rescued pangolins a safe haven, a place where they can heal and thrive away from danger. Additionally, scientists are entering the scene by studying the lives of pangolins more deeply. Their research not only reveals the mysteries of these unique creatures, but also guides us on how best to protect them. Governments and communities around the world are taking a stand and enacting laws banning the hunting and trade of pangolins. At the same time, they raise awareness and educate people about the significance of these scaly wonders and the importance of preserving their habitat. This collective effort, from daring rescues to meticulous research and the development of protective legislation, has created a safety net around pangolins. Pangolins are like nature's superheroes, helping us in surprising ways. They gobble up insects that bug us and farmers, keeping things in balance. But there's a big problem. They are in trouble. Illegal hunters, called poachers, want pangolins for their scales and meat. This is really bad because it makes pangolins sad and could even make them disappear forever. Our little armored friends face challenges like losing their homes too. The places where they live are being destroyed, and this makes it tough for them to survive. Now, here's the good part. We can help. By telling everyone about pangolins, not buying things made from them, and supporting groups that protect them, we can make a big difference. We want a world where pangolins are safe and happy, so let's all be pangolin protectors. If you enjoyed the fascinating insights shared in this video, don't miss out on future adventures. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay tuned for the latest and greatest content. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to continue this exciting voyage together. Subscribe now for a front row seat to our upcoming adventures.